Hi, my name is Linda and I'm with Tech Exchange. Today I'll be showing you how to join a Zoom meeting step by step. Let's get started. Start by clicking the Zoom meeting link you received. You might find this link in your email, text message, or calendar invite. After you click the link, it will take you to the Zoom website. Here, you'll see two options. You can join using the Zoom Workplace app or join from your browser. To use the app, you'll need to download and install Zoom on your computer. You can click Download Now to install it. If you don't want to install anything, you can choose Join from your browser instead. Let's say you choose to join using the app. Once Zoom opens, you'll see a window where you can enter your name. This is the name others will see in the meeting. You may also be asked to allow access to your microphone and camera. If you're not sure, you can leave these settings as default. Then click Join. If you don't want to download Zoom, you can join directly from your browser. Click Join from your browser. You may also be asked to allow access to your microphone and camera. Then enter your name and click Join. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see controls at the bottom. Use the microphone button to mute or unmute yourself. Use the camera button to turn your video on or off. When you're done, click the Leave button, then select Leave Meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to join a Zoom meeting. If you'd like to learn more, please join our free digital literacy classes at Tech Exchange.